Hi everyone, Siavash here, and today I'm going to talk about JaneApp and GoHighLevel. If you're using JaneApp and GoHighLevel separately, you are leaking time and revenue. Now, as you can see on the right-hand side, this is the schedule within Jane, and none of the patients, none of the schedules that we have in here are actually going to our contacts within GHL. So as you can see, this is empty. Okay. Now, what we built is ClinicSync Pro. ClinicSync Pro is basically allows you to fix this issue, and it's not just for JaneApp and GHL. It's basically we provide a lot of support, a lot of different EMRs, and also a lot of different backend system or CRM systems such as HubSpot, Zoho, Zapier, Make, and those kind of things. It's a very simple process to set it up, and you can go through the videos in here and basically set it up, which I'm going to show you in a second. But before doing that, I'm just going to show you how easy the fix is once you have ClinicSync Pro. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to this view. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and create a new patient by booking an appointment in Jane and show you how this account that is connected to the CSP, it's actually going to update almost in real time. Okay, so let's go ahead and book an appointment in here. And that's actually doing the shift, sorry. So let's go ahead and create an appointment in here. So we're going to click in here. We're gonna create a new patient. So we're gonna click on new patient. We're gonna name this test CSB, and we're just gonna give them test csp at gmail.com. Let's just leave the rest as it is. Let's save the patient in here. Let's book an appointment for them. No notes at the moment. And let's click on book an appointment. Oh, sorry, we should choose a treatment, 30 minutes massage. And yeah, let's go ahead and book this. Okay, the appointment is booked, as you can see, and the patient is test.csp at gmail.com. Now, this segment is connected to the CSP, and I'm just going to go and refresh this page and see if we can find that email address, and then we can go a little bit further into details of like how this is actually going to help you. Okay, so I'm just going to let this refresh. All right, we are refreshed, and as you can see, this has come through test CSP. And if you click on this, now the beauty of this is we get all of those information coming through inside the GHL as well. So as you can see, it shows the upcoming appointment, number of appointment book, who we booked it with, where's the location of the clinic, what is the patient number, is this going to be their first visit, have they done any of the intake form or those kind of things. So these are automatically, some of them gets filled up, or the ones that are not filled up. So as you can see, everything comes in here. And as you go and reschedule or cancel and those kind of things, it all happens inside your GHL as well. So basically, you can do your automations, workflow, and those kind of things. Now, again, if you want your clinic to run as one system, not two, you can simply go through clinicsyncpro.com and start your 7-day free trial. We provide a demo on how to set things up. And once you set it up, it's pretty simple. You get the dashboard and it will show you basically how things are working and how things are tracking. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.